Hi friends, it's Becky, and I want to open up day 3 of the Countdown to Love Advent Calendar. It's a beading Advent calendar that's counting down to the day before Half Price Chocolates Day. Yes, that's right, Half Price Chocolates Day. That's going to be on February 15th. If you missed day 1 and day 2 of this, you'll find day 1 and day 2 both videos in the playlist that we've created for this advent calendar, because the openings aren't just on the Beki and Jenny Beading Together channel. We are also having our friends Kryssy and Colleen host some of their own unboxings on their channels, and so we've got them collaborated links and we've got them added to our playlist, so you can catch up on any of those anytime. But this is a fantastically, beautifully curated bunch of beads. I'm sure the rest of them are going to be just as wonderful as the first 2 days, which again, if you missed out on that, go catch up on those and then come back and watch this one. But let's find out what's in day 3. Now, each of these 14 days has more than one thing in each of the bags. And you know, there was a lot of care and thought that was put into this by Steve and Debbie. So we are so happy to be part of this. Many of the friends who watch our channel went ahead and bought one of these advent calendars. So if you are opening this with me, let's get excited. Let's open it up. I'm going to be sorting it into a 14 grid organizer. Sorry, 15 grid organizer. It's 14 days, not 15. And we'll get them all squared away and happy. I'm excited to see what's in it. I hope you are too. At the end of this 14 days, we'll have a whole collection. I'm already starting to have ideas of things to make with it just from the first 2 days. And let me tell you, like, I'm probably going to change my mind a little bit between now and then. Just because there's just going to be beautiful things in here. We have glass boots and polymer clay hearts in this one, day 3. Let's open this up and see what they look like. Yay. Look at these little cowboy boots. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So my dog Natalie has a little chew toy that is it's actually pink and blue cowboy boot shaped heart thing, and I call it her boot scootin' boogie, and I'll be like, go play with your boot scootin' boogie, and she'll go grab it, right? But oh my goodness, look at these little guys. They've got a hole right here in the corner, up on the end. So you probably could wrap these like you would like a brio or something when you are using them, or string them along just like that in between some beads. But I think I might use them in some earrings. Hold on. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Just new Boot Goofin. Oh. Just Boot Goofin. Alright, let's put our cowboy boots in their new little home over here and take a look at these polymer clay hearts. Look at the beautiful floral canes in the middle of these hearts, guys. How fun are these? It's like conversation hearts, you know? You can't have like a Valentine's thing without conversation hearts, and these are the conversations of flowers. Like, what does this pansy tell you? What does that violet tell you? What does this group of daisies all in a ring tell you? Looks like we've got holes from top down on our little polymer clay hearts. Some of them are a little wonky, but that's okay. I do love a wonky heart, friends. But we've got green and pink and light pink and yellow, a warm goldenrody kind of a yellow, and a bright green and a blue and a red. All of these fun guys. I'm wondering if we all got the same colors in our baggies or if there were some differences for everyone. But there's at least 1, 2, 3, at least 4 pairs, 5 pairs. So you can make earrings with them, or you can just string them along on something. I bet these would be fantastic on a bracelet. I'm going to go ahead and put them with my boots because they spent so long snuggled up in their package. It would be a shame to have them, to break up the family, to make them have to sleep next to a different friend. Oh my gosh. New scoot, new boot, new boot. New Boot Goofin. Oh my gosh. Those are super cute. So that is day 3. Once again, friends, if you missed any of the days, go ahead and watch on the replay on the playlist that we've got below. If you missed out on purchasing the Advent, there will be extras, box extras, anything that there are extras of, not a full box of Advent, but each of the individual items. Like I don't know if there are extras of these boots, there might be, but if there are, they will be posted after everything has been revealed. And don't forget to join us on our channel on the 15th for a beat-along. We're going to be designing and making things with a little beading party live on our channel. And that'll be on Half Price Chocolates Day. Also, go subscribe to both Kryssy and Colleen's channels so you don't miss the other days of the week and their unboxings for each of those days as well. It's so much fun to be able to do this with our friends and to be able to share that with you. We hope to see you soon. We hope you're enjoying this as much as we are. And until next time, my friends, happy beading.